Today we're going to look at investigate the quality of milk over time. After you add the resizurin to each of the milk samples, we will add the stopper on the top of the milk sample and we'll give it a quick shake. The 15 minutes for our milk samples to be exposed to 37.5 within the water bath, and we can clearly see, thankfully, the colour change within each of our samples. Learning for the farmer where we got the milk sample is that this middle sample that was removed from the milk tank at 4 degrees and has remained at that still has quite high levels of bacteria in it when it's shown that peach colour. So my advice to that farmer would be to adhere to higher standards of hygiene on the farm. When cows go in for winter time, to ensure that their cubicles, their shed space are all limed and disinfected twice a day to ensure that the exposure to bacteria is kept to a minimal on the farm.